Kia ora! Welcome to the first lesson in negating. Today we're going to learn to negate present tense. Kei te kōrero au means I'm speaking. Kei te is what indicates that we're talking about the present. To negate this sentence and say, I'm not speaking, kei te changes to I te. We also have to change the order of the words. First, we have to start the sentence with ka hore, which means no. We follow ka hore with the pronoun. After that, we put I te, which indicates we're talking about the present. Finally, we put the verb. Ka hore ahau I te kōrero. I'm not speaking. Ka hore koe I te kōrero. You're not speaking. Ka hore ia I te kōrero. He or she is not speaking. Just like in positive sentences, the verb doesn't change. We can also negate the other present tense form, ana. To do this, we change the order of the words in the same way, but ana does not change. Meaning, we start the sentence with ka hore. We follow ka hore with the pronoun. Afterwards, we put ana and the verb, which goes in the middle, just like in a positive sentence. Ka hore ahau e kōrero ana. I'm not speaking. Ka hore koe e kōrero ana. You're not speaking. Ka hore ia e kōrero ana. He or she is not speaking. To change the action, we simply change the verb. Oma means run. Ka hore ahau I te oma. Ka hore ahau e oma ana. I'm not running. Ka hore koe I te oma. Ka hore koe e oma ana. You're not running. Ka hore ia I te oma. Ka hore ia e oma ana. He or she is not running. Let's practice and also learn some new verbs. Tonu means cook. How would you say, I'm not cooking, using I te? Ka hore ahau I te tunu. And how would you say it using ana? Ka hore ahau e tunu ana. Haere means go. How would you say, you're not going, using I te? Ka hore koe I te haere. And how would you say it using ana. Kāore koe e haere ana. Pānui means read. How would you say he or she is not reading using ite? Kāore ia i te pānui. And how would you say it using e ana? Kāore ia e pānui ana. All of these sentences can be questions. We simply have to change our inflection. The order of the words does not change. Kāore ahau i te kōrero. Kāore ahau e kōrero ana. Am I not speaking? Kāore ahau i te oma. Kāore ahau e oma ana. Am I not running? How would you ask, aren't you going? Using ite. Kāore koe i te haere. And how would you ask, isn't she reading? With e ana. Kāore ia e pānui ana. There you have it. Now you know how to negate sentences in the present tense. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to negate future tense. Ka kite.